Assalamualaikum student, how are you? I'm from AS school, your mathematics teacher. This is your grade 5 mathematics book, targeting mathematics 5. Now I'm going to explain your home assignment. Now this is your chapter number 1. Chapter number 1 is whole number, and we are going to start exercise 1, that is on page number 8. Now the topic is place value chart. This is your place value chart. You know very well, you have already studied in previous grades like 2, 3 and 4 the place value, position of the place value. Place value always start from ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and so on. Now you have to study up to lakhs. Now shortly we represented ones by O, tens by T, hundreds by H, thousand by TH, 10,000 by T dot TH and lakh denoted by L. Now you have to learn by heart this position: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Now on sixth position we have lakh. Question number 1: express in numerals. Numerals means number or digits. You have to write the given which is given in words. You have to write in figure or in digits or number. According to this position, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. You have 2 lakh 6,000. So how many lakhs? 2. So in lakh column write, under lakh column write, under L write 2, right? And you have thousand. How many thousand? 6,000. So in 6,000, in thousand column under thousand write 6. Other things are not giving, so you will put 0 0 there. So you have 2 lakh and 6,000, right? Now in Pakistani place value we put commas after digits. First from right hand side, this is the rule. From first comma comes after first 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are completed, put first comma here. Right? Now after 2 digits, second comma, third comma comes. Now after 2 digits, 1 and 2, put second comma and so on. It means in Pakistani place value we put comma, first comma comes after 3 digits, second comma comes after 2 digits, second or third after 2 digits. This is your answer. This is the way you have to do in your HP notebook like this, right? Similarly part B, easily you can do it. 7 lakh and 99. 7 lakh and 99. Again you will draw place value chart. Start from right side, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Now you have 7 lakh. So in lakh column directly come in lakh column. In lakh column under L write 7. You have 7. So and then 99. 99 means it is tens, right? 99. So comes in tens column. In tens under T write 9 and ones 9. And in ones column write 9, 99. In other columns you put comma, right? So 7 lakh and 99. Now you put comma according to the rule. First comma comes after 3 digits from right side, always from right side. 1, 2, 3 digits are completed, then put first comma, then read 2 digits again. 1, 2, put second comma. So 7 lakh and 99. That's it. This is the way you have to do in again in HP1 notebook, right? You have two HP notebook, mention HP1 and HP2. Do this work in HP1. First assignment will complete it in HP1, then you will send your HP for checking in school. After we will go next assignment, then you will do next assignment 2 in HP2. Now second exercise 2 on same page 8, second question is express in words, means in spelling way, right? In words or in spelling. The figures or numerals are given. First thing is how you read. You should know how we have to read these numbers. Most important thing is, again वही same place value chart rewrite it and put their position, place value, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Sixth position, on sixth position we have lakh. So 8 lakh, on lakh position we have 8 figure. Put 8 here and 200, ones, tens, 100, in under H put 2, right? So 8 lakhs and 200. You will read 8 lakhs and 200. So again you put comma after 3 digits and after 2 digits. Write in words. Under L is 8. So write in spelling 8 of position lakh. 8 lakh. 8 lakh and this is 2. So write in words 2 of its position. It is on position 100. So 200 answer, right? Similarly part B, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. On sixth position again we have lakh. So mention their position on the figure. Now this is 7 and L, under L we have 7. So 7 lakh comma. Now we have in 10,000 position we have 5, 50, we have 50. So 50,000 and 40. On tens we have 40 tens we have and 40, and put comma before after the completing position. 7 lakh 50,000 and 40, right? Similarly part C you will do like this in the same pattern. I hope you are understanding very well. Now on same page we have exercise 3, missing numbers. If you have understood this method, then you can easily do this question. Missing numbers you have to write in the blank. Part A, for first you read the position ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So this on lakh position we have 4, on 10,000 position we have 91 and 862. This is the whole figure. When you read it, then this thing is given dash plus 862. अब 862 is given here. Plus, after plus, this thing is missing. So what thing is missing? If you have put their position, then you can easily understand. 4,91,000 is missing. So you will write here 4,91,000. Put 00 there. When you add them, you will get this value 4,91,000 and 862. Right, in the same pattern you will do the other parts of this question. So complete all parts of exercise 1, exercise 2 and exercise 3 in the same way, right? And submit your HP1 in school for checking. Assalamu alaikum.